Substation maintenance. Welcome to the Electricity Forum Training Institute, or EFTI, a trusted leader in electrical training for the North American power industry. Since 1986, we've trained more than 60,000 electrical professionals to work safer, smarter, and in compliance with today's complex North American electrical codes and standards. This 12-hour instructor-led course covers preventive and corrective maintenance practices for electrical substations. It emphasizes inspection, testing, troubleshooting, and planning methods that improve reliability, reduce downtime, and ensure compliance with industry standards. What you'll learn. Students will learn how to inspect, test, and maintain substation equipment including transformers, circuit breakers, switches, bus systems, and grounding networks. The course also covers safety protocols, documentation methods, and maintenance planning strategies to support effective asset management. This course delivers real-world case studies, a review of substation maintenance techniques, and expert instruction on equipment reliability, outage prevention, and maintenance scheduling. The course provides proven strategies to reduce failures and extend substation asset life. Who should attend? This course is designed for utility substation engineers, field technicians, and maintenance staff, safety managers, and supervisors responsible for electrical reliability and compliance. This course comes with a substation maintenance training certificate, 1.2 CEU credits, 12 professional development hours, and a comprehensive maintenance reference guide. Strengthen your substation reliability and safety programs with proven maintenance strategies. Register today for EFTI's substation maintenance training.